The UPSC Civil Services Examination is one of the most prestigious and challenging exams in India. To prepare for it, you need smart planning, consistent hard work, and a clear direction. I am taking the liberty of sharing some suggestions here. If you follow them sincerely, your chances of success will significantly increase. These are experience-based suggestions meant especially for students who have just begun to dream of this goal. Seasoned aspirants likely know most of this already. Recently, the UPSC results were announced. Numerous interviews have been published, as they are every year. I too read and listen to them, not because I wish to take this exam now, but because I might learn something new from the younger generation of this country. So listen carefully. Step 1. Understand the structure of the exam. The UPSC Civil Services Examination has 3 stages. 1. Preliminary examination. This consists of objective-type questions. Paper I. General studies. Paper 2. Aptitude test, commonly known as CSAT, which is only qualifying in nature. 2. Main examination. This stage requires detailed written answers, although each question has a word limit, which removes confusion. There are 9 papers in total. 1 essay paper, 4 general studies papers, 2 papers for the optional subject, 1 compulsory language paper, and 1 English paper. 3. Interview. This is the final stage for successful candidates. Step 2. How to prepare. This exam should not be attempted without solid preparation. Experts recommend at least 2 years of continuous, regular, and well-planned preparation. But how should one start? Once you've decided to go for UPSC, begin by thoroughly reading National Council of Educational Research and Training textbooks from class 6 to 12. You might wonder why you should go back to basic history, geography, economics, science, and sociology after completing your graduation or post-graduation. But this is essential. Once you're done with National Council of Educational Research and Training books, move to advanced preparation. Simultaneously start reading English newspapers like The Hindu or The Indian Express. These 2 are highly recommended for quality content relevant to UPSC. Current affairs are crucial. In this exam, current affairs play a major role, so reading newspapers is necessary. While reading, make notes. They'll be extremely helpful later. Some important government sources to keep an eye on are Press Information Bureau, Yojana Magazine, Kurukshetra, India Yearbook. There are also monthly magazines available in the market that compile current affairs effectively. Choosing the optional subject. This is a critical decision and should be taken very carefully. Try to choose a subject you studied in graduation or post-graduation and one you're genuinely interested in. Choosing a new subject just for the trend can often backfire. Though there are examples of successful candidates doing so, it's rare. Evaluate your own strengths honestly. Don't pick a subject just because your friend chose it. Timetable is key. Once your optional is fixed, the next step is to create a strong, realistic timetable. Without it, quality preparation is difficult. Break the syllabus into small parts. Set daily, weekly, and monthly targets. Study consistently for 6 to 8 hours every day with full focus. Answer. Writing practice is a must for mains. Since mains is a written exam, practice writing answers with a pen and paper. Don't lose the habit of handwriting due to computers or mobile devices. Write answers at least 3 to 4 times a week. Maintain a good structure. Introduction, body, conclusion. Join a good test series offered by coaching institutes. They are very helpful. Prelims practice. Regularly give mock tests for prelims. Solve previous year's question papers. Enroll in a reliable test series with quality questions. Don't forget revision. Revise previously studied topics regularly. Make your own notes, short and crisp. Focus only on revision during the last months before the exam. Take care of your health. This journey is long and exhausting. Eat balanced meals, sleep well, and exercise. Avoid mental stress. Practice meditation or yoga. Take occasional breaks to stay motivated, stay inspired, and consistent. Surround yourself with positive people. Track your progress periodically. Always remind yourself of why you started. Stick to limited resources. Use a few good books repeatedly instead of collecting too many. Quality beats quantity in UPSC preparation. Final thought, no need to rush to the cities. You don't need to move to a big city for preparation right away. Wait until you feel internally confident that you're truly ready to crack the exam. Then consider going to a city. only to polish yourself, not to start from scratch. This will save money and reduce distractions. I hope you liked this episode. If you have any questions, please be sure to write them in the comment box. If you want content on any particular topic, do let me know that as well. I will try to make it available as soon as possible.